can see the front cover of your prescribed textbook in your syllabus, Cloud Computing, second edition, written by Dr. Kumar, Saurabh. So it took some while for me to find out the edition because they are not mentioned it in your syllabus. So it's Cloud Computing by Kumar Saurabh, and this is the second edition, and he has written two more editions. And the publisher is Wiley, India. So this book covers two units of your syllabus, and today I'm going to teach you by showing, by opening the book, and I'm going to teach you today. Okay. So now this book, I recently purchased it. This is a Kindle edition. Kindle is an application which is used to read ebooks from the internet. So I had purchased ebook of cloud computing, not a paper book, ebook. And for this, I'm using Kindle application. Okay, so you can see here the contents, and you can see the different topics in the first unit: introduction, essentials, and benefits, which I have already covered to you. Now, let us go on to the next topic, that is why cloud. This is nothing but the need for cloud computing. We have already seen the different definitions, various definitions of cloud computing. Okay, so here it's nothing but accessing the resources from the internet, and this is a new field um, of which many are getting awareness to it. Okay, so now here you have a lot of resources in this cloud computing, and they call this as a pool of resources. You have a pool where you have all the resources are put in, and if anybody requires any resource, it is automatically given to them. Okay, so if they are not using that resource means, and if somebody requires it means, then automatically it will be provision for the other person. So the utilization time is very good here. Efficiently we are able to utilize the various resources in the pool. So we need not have or invest money, okay, initially in our business. We can just start by having a minimum infrastructure. We can just start our business, and whenever we need any kind of resource, you can just subscribe to it and you can get it, and then you can pay for whatever you use it. So here you can see a diagram. Here you can see the diagram. This is the basic cloud computing model. Here you have the standard framework. You have the business proposition, the various processes, applications are there, the platform are there, and the infrastructure. So whatever resource they require, from here it is being provision to the user. Along with this, you also have security feature. That is a very important feature that is also present here. Okay, so now here you can see another sort of definition of cloud computing. So the entire process of requesting and receiving resources is typically automated. Okay, so what is the meaning of automated? You need not request and you need not wait for it, somebody to provision for you. Automatically a client has the control with him, and everything just takes only few minutes to complete. Okay, so you require, for example, Oracle to work. You request for it and automatically it is provisioned for you. You need not wait for a long time. Within a few minutes, everything, request, response, and giving it to you, everything is completed. Okay, and here also they are delivered in a user friendly manner. Okay, so this is a key word. So it's a very user friendly. What is the meaning of user friendly? It's very easy. That is the meaning of user friendly. Easily anybody can get whatever they require, any resource whichever they require, and it is offered at an unprecedented scale. Okay, now you need only two resources, it will be provided to you. If somebody or a big company requires 200 resources, that will also be automatically everything will be given to the clients. Sorry, let's go back to the same page. Yeah. And the main important payment model is pay as you go, and another keyword is pay for what you use. Okay, you use it and you pay for that only, eliminating the need for an upfront investment. So there is no need of having a huge investment with you. Okay, and whatever you demand, it is automatically given to you. Provisions are given to you quickly. Okay, just quickly. Okay, now we can summarize the different reasons for going in for or adopting the cloud. Okay, that is the massive web scale abstracted infrastructure. Now when you are requesting for a resource, you need not think about which company's resource is that and how much have they invested, are they giving good service to the client. You need not think about that. Okay, everything is abstract. Whatever you require, only that is highlighted to you. The other part is everything is hidden away from you. Okay, so it's a massive web scale abstracted infrastructure, and the allocation is of dynamic in nature. You ask, you get it automatically. Scaling is there. Scaling means reduction or increase also, and movement of applications. And then, as you know, it's pay per use, no long term commitments. I just need it for just 4 days, you get it. I need it for 2 weeks, you get that also. Okay, so no long term commitments, and it is operating system and application architecture independent. Now you are going to imagine you are having a different operating system installed in your system, and there you are getting something else, some other application which is installed in their system in some other OS. Okay, you need not think about that. Everything is independent, architecture independent. It will perfectly fine in your system, and you need not install any hardware or software. Everything is given by them. If you need to install a flash plugin, they will be giving it to you. They will be mentioning everything, and they will give it to you everything also. You need not ask your some other person or go to a company and get installed before accessing the cloud computing. Everything is there in the cloud itself. Okay, so because of these reasons, okay, what is clear to us is the benefits are clear. Now, because of these reasons, the results are clear. Now, what are the results? You can create innovative projects. You need not bother about the money, the installation, whether it is compatible, etc. So you concentrate on your project only. So you can create projects innovatively, and also one more important thing, in a rapid way. Okay, you need not waste time thinking about other things and all. In a rapid way, in a quick manner, you can create and develop your um, software. And what about the effectiveness and the service delivery model? Okay, your client gives you an order for particular software, and automatically, rapidly you develop it, and then you deliver it to the client. Okay, so service delivery model, effective, creative service delivery model, and then these services are less costly because you need not have a huge investment in the beginning. Then automatically your clients also, they need not give you much more. So they are less costly, meaning that you will be getting more number of businesses. And also another important thing is you will be having a quality. You will be doing a quality business. Okay, and sustainable competitive differentiation. So you're using cloud computing technology, and you are developing more and more projects in a quick manner, okay, which are of quality high. Then it means that you are there in the business, and you have a good reputation. So you'll be there in the competition. You will sustain the that growth. Okay, you will be good for a long time. Sustainability will be there, and rapidly you develop and deploy the applications over the internet wherever you are, when, where, and how your client wants them. You can automatically do it. Okay, And then one more important thing is also that you can build and integrate modular services. You need not wait, your client need not wait for you to build the whole software and then give it to him. You can develop various module by module and you can deliver it to them. Okay, so it's a modular way of delivering the system to them. Okay, so now you have seen what is the need of cloud. Okay, the need of cloud, you have a diagram that which consists of the basic computing model. There's not much explanation to this diagram. Okay, you need to mention again an important definition, and then it's a very friendly manner and pay as you go or pay for what you use. And then you need to tell list down the different reasons for adopting the cloud, and because of adopting the cloud, what are the results you get in your business. All these things you have to write down for the need for cloud computing. Okay, now let us look at another topic also. That's a very small topic, business and IT perspective. Okay, so that is in the eyes of a businessman. What does he think about this? So we have already learned all the different needs, and because of going for the cloud computing, we have just now seen the different results in the business of a company. Okay, so definitely they want to deliver good quality products to their clients. Okay, and they want to be sustained, be in a good position in the business also. So definitely everybody will be going in for the cloud computing. Okay, they want to satisfy their customers, they want to provision more and more businesses. Okay, so definitely they'll go for this cloud computing model only. So as you can see here, I have highlighted few important keywords also. Cloud computing is an emerging consumption and delivery model. You use it and then you deliver the softwares to your client. Okay, emerging consumption and delivery model. Okay, that enables the provisioning of standardized business. Whoever requires it, you provision that particular business to the clients. Now what about the infrastructure? It is a shared infrastructure. Company A can use the cloud computing, company B, company C, everybody can use it. Okay, but in their own time. Okay, if he is using it, the resource will be given to him. When he's not doing anything, automatically it will be shared with another user. So it's a shared infrastructure. Okay, and one more thing is you have all the processing power, you have the storage, you have the database, messaging, everything is there in the enterprise. Okay, so I hope today you have understood two important topics of introduction of cloud computing. That is the need for cloud computing and based on IT and business perspective. Okay, so enjoy today Sunday weekend. Okay, you have your class today. You had your class today. Okay, now just in your mind go through these concepts and relax for the day. See you soon. Bye bye.